Ngayon, kung gusto mo palitan yung password, push the button going to the right, hold, put your desired password, and then pag okay na, release, and you're good to go. Meron siyang 100 packets sa loob. So, it's up to you kung magkano yung gusto mong ilagay. Kahit na magkano yung sahod mo, either maliit man yan or malaki, you can start for something small like 20 pesos lang or 50s, 100s. Daily man yan or weekly or monthly mo gusto lagyan, it's up to you. Ang importante, nakakapag-ipon tayo. Kahit papano, nakakapag-allocate tayo na meron tayong madudukot when it comes to emergency. So, yung akin, naglagay ako ng tagwa 1,000 and I'm planning to put it weekly kasi may nakukuha naman ako na commission weekly. So, ayun, dito ko rin nilalagay important cards ko na savings and nilagay ko lang din siya sa tabi ng bookshelves ko. Inipit ko lang yan dyan para hindi halata na merong pera sa loob. So, ayun, thank you guys for watching. Follow for more.